Welcome back again. In this video, we will start implementation for the complete reservation. First, what we will do is, here it is the flight details page. So in this, we will add the hyperlink of book flight. TD. Let me add the anchor tag th:/href equal to @ add the link here. It should be /book flight / plus dollar based on the flight ID. Based on the flight ID. Okay. Here just write the book flight. See here, we are adding the anchor tag inside the th column, href equal to in double quotes @ add the URL. This URL should be there in the controller class /book flight / plus it is based on what it is we are booking the flight is based on the flight ID. That's it. So okay, in the next step what we will do is, what we will do is, let me create a reservation. If we go here to the entities, right click, new, here simply add reservation, annotate this with @ entity, add the properties here, private string passenger name, private string passenger email, private string passenger phone, private string gender, private string nationality. Right click, generate, getter and setter. Click on OK. Just simply what we will do is, extends abstract entity, right click on repository, new Java class, it should be reservation repository. That should be an interface. This extends the CRUD repository that takes the reservation as an entity. Reservation extends the CRUD repository reservation long. Okay. Next thing what we will do is, we will create go here. Let me create the HTML template first. Right click, new file. It should be bookflight.html. Okay, this should be bookflight.html. So let me add the doc type HTML slash HTML. Okay, HTML XMLNS colon th equal to http colon /w dot thymeleaf .org. Okay, next let me add the head section. Inside that, title should be there, title. Okay, title should be there. It should be book flight. The title should be book flight, and the next thing is body. Okay, inside the body, first what we will do is we will get the corresponding flight details which we are booking, that corresponding flight number. So let me add one paragraph tag, and after that strong, so that because for the font I'm taking this flight number should be there. Okay, flight number, then span th colon text equal to dollar flight dot id. Okay, flight dot id. And the next thing what we'll do is from where it is coming. So instead of writing everything, just copy this, paste it here. So from just instead of this, let me add a airline. Okay, flight dot airline. Okay, copy this, paste it here. Add from, so go here, copy this, control, copy, go to the flight, copy this, copy this, go here, go to the flight, copy this, this is 2, this is 5. Okay, after this just add the HR tag, then take the form. Inside this th action equal to @ flower brackets, add this one. I'm adding the URL before itself. So complete reservation I'm adding. th colon object equal to dollar braces reservation. Method equal to first. Input type equal to hide the flight ID, hidden th colon name equal to flight.id, th colon value equal to dollar flight.id. Input type equal to hidden, and the name is flight ID, and the value is dollar flight ID. Okay, next step is label passenger name. Input type equal to text, th colon field, field equal to passenger name. Required /pr. Label email. If you go here into the reservation, see here, this is email. Input type equal to text, th colon field field equal to star required br. Label we go here into the reservation, this passenger phone. Input type equal to text, th colon field, field equal to star passenger phone, required passenger phone, gender, gender should be, let's say, select th colon field, field equal to dollar, this should be gender. Okay, option value equal to select option value equal to male, option value equal to female, option value equal to other, slash br, label nationality, input type equal to text, th colon field equal to dollar nationality. Slash br. Let me add the button. Button type should be submit. Okay, it should be submit confirm booking. Okay, now just close the form. This is already closed. Okay, how this will be? Okay, that's fine. Just keep some gap. PRE. Okay. Let me add here some instead of this, some H2. Okay, that's fine. Now go here, right click, new Java class, something like reservation controller. Annotate this with the rate of controller first. So okay, go here. We need to add one field, flight. So what we need to do here is just simply add at the rate of many to 1. Many to 1 in the sense, for every flight there will be multiple reservation. Okay, multiple numbers of passengers will be there. So for each flight, number of passenger will do the reservation. It can be like one passenger or many passengers. So from reservation to flight, it will be like many to 1 relationship. So for that, for each flight there will be many reservation. So this flight ID should be there. It should be added to the reservation column. So what I am doing is at the rate of join column name equal to flight ID. That's it. Generate getter and setter. That's it. Go to the reservation controller. In the reservation controller, just auto inject the first flight repository. At the rate of auto private reservation repository. Auto let me create a method first. That should be like first that book flight page needs to be appear. So for that what I will do is I will create one method, show book form. Okay, this takes the long ID comma model. Okay, id comma model. So what I will do here is by using the flight repository dot find by id pass the id or else I am saying this is the see here, if value equal to double equal to null, that means there is no value, it will throw the error. Do the control alt v, that will return the flight. Okay, so what we need to do is model dot add attribute and add the simply comma flight. Okay, and also what we will do is model dot add attribute, add the reservation and create new reservation. Okay, and just simply return the book flight. At the rate of request mapping that takes the value slash, if we go here book flight, is this not the book flight, flight details, copy this, go to the reservation controller, add it here, slash based on the id. Okay, comma method equal to request method dot get. See here, what we are doing, we need to just show the corresponding booking form, reservation form. So after getting all the flight details, there will be a hyperlink. In the flight details, which is book flight. After clicking on book flight, the flight which we want, we will click after that this hyperlink. So what it will do is, it will redirect to this corresponding URL where this is their book flight, and it is in the reservation controller. So it will come here, and what it will do is it will simply come here, and it will just find the corresponding flight of that. And also what it is doing here is, it is just establishing the connection between the UI, which is a HTML form, and also here in the object, which is a flight object and reservation object, and it is written in the corresponding book flight. So and the next thing what we will do is, we will create one method, public string so where is publish complete reservation at the rate of model attribute reservation at the rate of request param. This will be like what I will do is flight dot id long flight id. get the flight repository dot find by id which is a flight id dot or else throw that will return the flight. After getting the flight, reservation dot set flight and set the flight. Okay, and reservation dot reservation repository dot save the reservation. After that, model dot add attribute message flight book successfully for reservation dot get passenger name. Return the booking success HTML. We are just getting the flight and setting that flight into reservation, and after that we are saving that corresponding reservation, and we are just printing a message in the UI which is a flight booked successfully. Okay. Here in this method what we are doing is we are just showing the booking flight at the rate of request mapping value equal to if you go here in the book flight, copy this, paste it here, that's it. This should be method equal to request method dot post, that's it. Just create a booking success HTML file, template, new file, copy, new file dot HTML. Go to the booking flight, copy this, booking success, head, title, booking success. Okay, after that body some h2 tag booking confirmation, add paragraph tag, th colon text equal to dollar, pass the message here. Okay, pass the message. Pass the message. Okay, and after that add the anchor tag, th colon href equal to at the rate of slash flight data. This will return to the flight data. Back. Let's see. Application has started. No, open this. If we go here, flight data, click on flight. ID must not be null. Booking success, flight details, flight ID. This will redirect to the reservation controller. Okay. This should be the rate of path variable ID. Let me rerun this. Go here. Flight data. Yeah, we got this, all the flight details. Flight number 2. We are trying to book the flight number 2, which is Air India, Hyderabad, Chennai, the time. Add the passenger details, something like Isaac. gmail.com. Phone number, gender, male, nationality, Indian. See here, booking confirmation, flight booked successfully for Isaac. Okay, if we go here and go to the MySQL workbench, root at the rate of 123. Use reservation. Select. See here, Indian Isaac at the rate of gmail.com, and the phone number. The flight which we are booking is 2. So if we go here, after successfully booking of the flight, we can just go back to the flights. See here, this is how it works. In the code, these are the queries which has been executed internally. Okay, so what we did is we have just, if we go to the flight details, we have just added the anchor tag, and these are this anchor tag href tag is connected with the URL, which is a book flight. If I go here into the reservation controller, book flight with the ID, based on the ID, what it will do is it will fetch in the DB, and based on the flight ID, we are trying to book the corresponding flight. That's what we are doing. So internally, this model.add attribute, what it will do is it will connect with the corresponding from UI with the backend code. That means we are trying to pass that corresponding object to the UI, which is flight object, and also the reservation object, and we will return the corresponding book flight. Book flight page will be shown there, and after successfully adding all the details, what it is doing is it is fetching the corresponding flight and setting the corresponding flight details, the details which are there now. So it is setting it into the reservation and saving all the details which we have given in the UI into the reservation repository. And after successfully saving, what it is doing is it is showing the message which is flight booked successfully for the corresponding passenger name. It is returning the booking success. In the booking success.xml, it is showing the corresponding message which is flight booked successfully. This is about the completion of booking flight, how we can book the flight details and how we can save the details. This is how. In the next video, what we will do is we'll generate or create the email itinerary. That means after saving the details, PDF for the corresponding file with the passenger details will be created, and it will be sent to the corresponding Gmail as a document. And that's how in the next video we'll do that. Thank you.